Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Jefferson County, northwestern Cobb County, west central Greene County, central Granger County, Hamilton County until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:44 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Rutledge, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Morristown, Jefferson City, Dandridge, Rutledge, Bean Station, White Pine, Bainbury, Russellville, Mosheim, and Bulls Gap. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 in Tennessee between mile markers 418 and 428. Interstate 81 in Tennessee between mile markers 1 and 23. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is no weather.